Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to factory reset the Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to factory reset the Firestick, just come over to settings at the rightmost part of the top bar and then go down. You're going to go to my Fire TV. I'll scroll down this list until you find the option that says reset to factory default. So mind you, this is going to remove all of the personal data, all of your passwords that have been saved. It's going to remove all downloaded content from the Fire TV and reset it to new. So if you've made any adjustments to settings, display settings, audio settings, and all the like, all of those settings are going to be reset. This is useful if you have any issue with the Fire Stick. Maybe you've put on some settings which were supposed to remain off and you find yourself in a sticky situation. Factory resetting can solve most of those issues. So just click on factory reset like I've done and then click on reset. This confirmation is going to reset the device, clearing everything. Now that's the process. I'm not going to do it here, but clicking on that will just factory reset. If you find that useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. This is DaveTech signing out.